Hello, it's Wednesday, the 21st of July, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar weakened against most other currencies as the housing starts came out at 0.55 million worse than expected 0.57 million. But building permits came out at 0.59 million, better than the expected 0.57 million. The stock markets turned from a sharp decline to a positive trend, with Nasdaq and Dow Jones appreciating 1.1% and 0.74% respectively. Crude rose by 0.9%, closing at $77.70 a barrel, and gold reached a fresh two-month low at $1,175, but soon jumped to close at $1,192 an ounce. Today, Fed Chairman Bernanke will speculate on the economic outlook, and this might well determine the short-term trend for the dollar. The euro was among the currencies that weakened against the dollar after reaching a fresh high at 1.3028. However, it failed for the third day in a row to hold above the 1.3 zone, declining below the 1.29 zone. German PPI came out at 0.6%, better than expected 0.2%. The momentum seems to remain positive for the pair as it is holding above the major support level at 127.70. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 128.38 and a high of 130.28. No economic data is expected today. The pound gained versus the dollar by the end of the day, despite mortgage approvals coming out at 48,000 worse than expected 52,000, which pushed the pair to test support at 151.80. The CBI industrial trends orders came out minus 16, better than expected minus 25. The momentum seems to remain positive for the pair, holding as it does above the major support level at 151.80. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 151.52 and a high of 153.08. Today, the Bank of England MPC meeting minutes are expected, which might well determine the short-term trend for sterling. The greenback rose for the second day in a row against the yen, one of the few currencies to weaken against the dollar. The dollar-yen pair strengthened as stocks in the US extended gains. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 86.65 and a high of 87.56. No economic data is expected today. Finally, Canada. Canada's dollar strengthened for a second day against the US dollar after the Bank of Canada decided to raise the interest rate by 0.25% to 0.75%, a move predicted by economists. Earlier in the trading session, there had been a few attempts to breach resistance, but they only succeeded to push the pair below the 104.50 zone. Breaking the next support at 104.20 might accelerate negative momentum for the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 104.29 and a high of 105.85. Today, wholesale sales are expected at 0.3% versus minus 0.3% prior. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.